The best protein snack to fuel your night. A guide to bedtime nutrition. Ideal protein snacks for bedtime. Greek yogurt. Opt for plain Greek yogurt, which is high in protein and low in sugar. You can enhance its flavor by adding a handful of nuts or drizzle of honey. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is an excellent source of casein protein, which is slow digesting and ideal for overnight muscle repair. Pair it with some fruit for a tasty and balanced snack. Protein smoothie. Blend together some protein powder, like whey or casein, a handful of spinach, a banana, and almond milk for a delicious and protein-packed smoothie. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are a complete protein source and can be easily prepared ahead of time for a quick snack before bed. Turkey slices. Lean turkey slices are low in fat and high in protein, making them a great choice for a late-night snack. Protein bars. Look for bars with a good balance of protein and fiber, and avoid those with excessive sugars or artificial ingredients.